Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back in the kitchen, and we're back with another HelloFresh recipe. Today we're doing spicy chipotle chicken with Mexican potatoes and some roasted vegetables. This is a calorie smart dish, which means it's good for you, it's healthy, it's under 600 calories, so if you're trying to watch your figure at the moment, it's a good one to go for. Right, let's get into it. Okay, so your first step after washing your hands will be preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Then get your potatoes. You can leave the peel on there, you don't need to peel them, and then chop your potatoes into roughly about 2 centimeter chunks. Okay, there's our potatoes cut into the nice chunks. I'm going to drizzle with olive oil, add some salt and pepper, and then it'll be time to add that beautiful Mexican style seasoning. So the seasoning adds a lovely little golden colour to the potatoes. We're going to toss them around in the bowl, disperse all that flavour, get the potatoes nice and covered. Right, so now you want to transfer your potatoes onto an oven-proof tray. I've lined mine with foil just to eliminate any chance of them sticking. These will go in your preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now it's time to prep the chicken. So you'll get your 2 chicken breasts and you'll just cover them in the chipotle paste. It is quite spicy, so if you don't like your food too hot, just put about a quarter of the sachet in. I'm going to use the whole thing. We'll give it a good basting and you let them marinate for a little while. So the chicken is now completely covered in that chipotle paste, and you'll set this to one side, and now it's time to prepare the onion, the peppers, your coriander and your garlic. Starting with the red bell pepper, you'll chop in half, remove the core and all the seeds, and then you will cut into nice thin slices. And now time for the garlic. I find with garlic the easiest method is to just take a little chunk off each end, and then the skin will peel off from the center all the way around, really simply. Best way I find to do it. Let me know in the comments if you've got a better way. There may well be, or you could just use a garlic press. I don't have one. Right, so let's chop this and then we'll move on to the red onion. So with the onion, I like to take the top and bottom off, make a little slice through the center and then peel off the first layer. I find that a really easy way to peel an onion. Then I'm going to chop it into half and then cut it into thin slices. So onto the coriander, keep the stalks on everything and just chop it up roughly. It doesn't have to be too fine, just a rough chop in and then it's good to go. So something I almost forgot to do, you take your soured cream, put it in a little bowl, and it says on the recipe to add some of your chipotle paste. I put all of that onto my chicken. So what I've decided to do is add a tiny bit of the Mexican spice, give it a little stir, and that's just going to be a nice little sauce to go with your dish when it's finished. And we are now back with the marinated chicken. You're going to heat up in a small frying pan, or my wok that I like to use, tiny bit of olive oil, heat it up, and you're going to lay the chicken in there and cook until browned. About 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So the one side has had 5 minutes. I'm going to flip them over, do the same on the other side. We're looking for that nice dark golden colour. Okay, the chicken's been frying on each side 4 to 5 minutes. It's got a lovely colour to it now, and it's time to transfer it to another oven-proof tray. I've lined it with foil, just find it makes things easier at the end when it comes to wash up. Just take the foil off, give your pan a little scrub, you're good to go. This is going to go in the oven now for 12 to 15 minutes. If you're unsure if it's cooked, take it out, give it a little cut and make sure there's no pink in the middle of the chicken. You must be careful with chicken. Okay, so at this point your potatoes are still in the oven. They're golden, they're looking good. Your chicken is in there, that's going to do its thing, and now you reheat the pan that you cooked the chicken in. It's got all that nice flavour in it, and now you're going to add your peppers and your onions. You'll fry them for 3 to 4 minutes so they're nice and soft. Add your garlic just after that, because that takes another minute or so. You don't want that to burn, so you'll add that just after. Give it a good fry in, and then it'll be time to add the potatoes and give it all a good stir together. The potatoes are done. Look at the colour on those, they look absolutely delicious. So like I said, we're going to combine the potatoes and the veg that you've just fried off, mix it all together, and then it'll be time to slice your chicken. Okay, the chicken is done. It's been resting on the side for approximately 5 minutes, and now it's time to just slice it. Just go horizontally and just put 4 to 5 slices through it. Okay, that time has come. Everything is prepped and ready to go. So you will put your potatoes and your peppers and onions onto a plate, rest your chicken slices on top of the bed of potatoes, and then add a dollop of your sour cream and spices, and then sprinkle with a little bit of coriander, and then enjoy. So here we have the completed dish, another great recipe from HelloFresh, chipotle spiced chicken with Mexican potatoes and some veggies. Really simple, very healthy and very tasty. Thanks for watching everyone, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and then turn on your post notification bell, and you can keep up with all my other cooking videos. Have a great day, peace out.